So then, while working with her, did you feel that somehow this is different from the movies that you worked before?
I got a feeling that it had a different setup.
जी.
और जैसे कि पूरा जो हवेली है और उसमें एक औरत अपने आप को बंद करके रखी हुई है 20-30 साल के से, सो ऑल दैट होल प्रेमाइस ऑफ द स्टोरी वाज वेरी न्यू एंड सबसे मुझे एक अच्छा चीज़ क्या लगा, एक तो वो फ्री ब्यूटीफुल फ्लो था स्टोरी में, जो ending, the way it ends.
Yeah.
I love that because
Yeah.
it has such a good feel-good factor in it. So all that.
Do you like being in the mountains?
I love being in the mountains. Absolutely. When we were shooting in Shimla, I was going on hiking and discovering different routes and in the woods. I love being in the mountains.
Shimla is really special.
It's
I feel that when you go there, you feel really bogged down by the parking problem type issues. But then beyond that, it's really very nice.
Yeah.
You've shot so much in Shimla.
Yeah, we've shot together in
Yeah.
Shimla as well. One movie, right? So it's been a few years since you've acted before, and now, do you feel that things have changed?
Yes, I feel things have changed a lot and for better.
Okay.
And this is again ये मेरी observation है कि कभी आजकल प्रोफेशनलिज्म कुछ ज़्यादा है, डिमांड भी एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेसेस के ऊपर कुछ ज़्यादा ही
Are you referring to something in particular?
नहीं जैसे कि प्यार वो जो करते हैं कुछ ये नया है, ये उस वक्त इतना करते थे लेकिन इतना नहीं करते थे, और मुझे लगता है कि आज की टू परफॉर्म राइट और हर एक स्टेप को थोड़ा सा नपा तौला to say the right thing, to be seen in the right place, to do it right is become like a responsibility here.
जी.
उस वक्त मुझे लगता था कि थोड़ा सा लोग गलतियां माफ़ कर देते थे, तो थोड़ा इजी था, तो बट हैविंग सेड दैट शायद इसी के कारण आजकल जो फिल्में बनती हैं उनकी क्वालिटी थोड़ी बेटर है.
अच्छा.
और सिनेमा में आई फील रियलिज्म हैज़ टेकन मोर स्पेस देन मेलोड्रामा,
जी.
and performances, some great performers, good performers are very natural and organic rather than melodramatic expressions.
जी. बट आपका जो स्टाइल था जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे लोग आपसे कुछ ज़्यादा ही प्यार करते हैं, वो थोड़ा इट टेंडेड टू बी टुवर्ड्स रियलिज्म, बिकॉज जो सारी आपकी बहुत ही अच्छी जो मुझे पर्सनली लगती है 1942 या बॉम्बे या बंसाली's फिल्म खामोशी एंड many others that you come, but वो जो फिल्में they I think set you apart from everybody else, at least for me, and but those were realistic films, और at least आपने जिस तरह से परफॉर्म किया है वो बहुत ही रियलिस्टिक था. तो आपको कभी ऐसा लगता है कि ये वक्त शायद आपके लिए ज़्यादा सूटेबल है अभी का वक्त?
Absolutely. I love this phase. I love this phase because of this, and also आजकल ये जो फिल्में बनती हैं वो भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
अच्छा.
तो yeah, I think I was meant for this.
yeah. I also say the same thing. Ahead of her times, she was always in her choices.
Yeah.
Choosing those films which this generation loves so much.
And also not only choosing, also
Performing.
doing it that way.
Yeah.
Because आपकी वजह से एक टर्म आया था फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, नो मेकअप लुक.
वो बहुत मुश्किल से मैंने एक्सेप्ट किया था, क्योंकि जब मैं बॉम्बे फिल्म करी थी उस वक्त मैं चुप के आई वाज स्टिल ट्राइंग टू पुट मेकअप ऑन, बट Mani used to catch me right there and he would ask me to remove it right there, so and then that when
because उनको लग रहा होगा कि मतलब you know sometimes what happens Manisha, and I think this must be the case with Mani sir also, कि on this face, on Manisha's face अगर मैंने कुछ ऐड कर दिया तो it is actually like Shakespeare said taking away from it. बिकॉज सो
Yeah.
उनकी वजह से तो आपने कोशिश की थी छुपा
छुपा
makeup?
के मेकअप करना, लाइक मैं टेक रेडी हो रहा तब तक मैं कोने में जाके आई पुट माय मेकअप, सम काजल, समथिंग आई डू, एंड बट चोरी हमेशा पकड़ी
पकड़ी
जाती
जाती
है
है।
हमेशा।
ये वो
और-
वाला शॉट था क्या जो दिल से गाने में क्लोजअप है, वो वाला शॉट था? बहुत सारे शॉट्स थे
दो तीन जगह मैंने कोशिश की, बट उसमें एक भी
करने नहीं दिया गया। तो कितना परसेंटेज है फिल्म का जिसमें मेकअप नहीं है बिल्कुल?
Mostly, I think, except the songs, maybe in certain songs, कहना ही क्या, I put a little bit of.
बिकॉज वो तो खैर you're
I had
supposed to have
dressed
gone
up
out,
and
yeah.
all that.
जी
But otherwise, I think 95% is
Wow.
all.
एंड एकदम ही एक्सट्रीम क्लोजअप्स थे उसमें, बिकॉज वो जो दिल से की शॉट की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ मुझे याद आ रहा है, इट्स फ्रॉम शाहरुख पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड इट्स लाइक जस्ट योर आई ऑन फ्रेम, इट्स
Yeah.
ऑलमोस्ट दैट एंड देयर इज नो नथिंग ऑफ
Yeah,
कोर्स।
yeah, yeah,
ब्यूटीफुल सिनेमेटोग्राफी आल्सो।
yeah, brilliant, brilliant. काफी
दैट वाज संतोष,
संतोष.
काफी क्या कहते हैं,
The landscaping also in Ladakh and Leh, was beautiful.
yeah. तो आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोगों की फेवरेट फिल्म है वो, एंड उसके बाद ये आई थिंक व्हाट मनी सर वाज ट्राइंग टू डू विद सूफीज्म एंड लव बीइंग
Yeah,
just a different animal.
yeah, yeah.
Shahrukh was also very different in that film.
Yes, yes.
So how was that man at that time?
As ever, I think he's been the same. Except I think with Manisa, everybody gets little, so kinds. But I mean, he's full of energy and he's full of enthusiasm and. He's a great guy to work with. We just finished a work film with
Yeah.
him.
But you can also say bad things about Shahrukh. I won't tell him.
No, he's been an absolute pleasure.
Because
to
he,
work with.
when he came to know that you're doing a movie, he was very happy. And I've told you before that. And then he started talking about you and said so many good things about you, so many good things. And since we were talking alone, there was no need for him to,
Yeah.
be diplomatic. Really, very wonderful things about you. And one thing that he kept saying about you is how genuine you are, or how pure you were
Yeah.
when he worked. So.
Yeah, he used to be very protective and he used to advise me a lot. So how to be. And
Why did he advise you? Why did he think you needed his advice?
well, he probably felt, she's not getting it right. In terms.
Not working hard enough?
No, I was too casual. I was too
Hmm.
casual and too, ठीक है ना, ठीक है, like that. So he wanted me to get it right.
So, at that point of time, was that your reputation in the industry that इसको इतनी पड़ी नहीं है, she doesn't care?
I guess so. I don't know. I also didn't care.
Nice.
I just I was happy doing few films, and
Acha.
I was actually whenever I would get a role to do with Manisa or a good director, then I'll be like 7 heaven. Then I'm going to be putting my 100%.
Yeah.
But I was churning films after films after
Hmm.
films after films
उस
after
वक्त
films.
बहुत काम भी कर देते ना सब,
हाँ.
like Shahrukh tells me double shift, triple shift
Triple
they
shift.
used to do, yeah.
Exactly.
कैसे करते थे?
Exactly. So वो करते करते भी थोड़ा सा क्या कहते हैं कि
हाँ.
एक complacent attitude आ जाता है.
Yeah.
तो वो था.
But आपका एक थोड़ा bohemian attitude
हाँ.
attitude भी
है.
सुना है मैंने.
है Bohemian Gypsy. I have that. I'm basically that. So
How? What do you mean?
it's I'm basically a seeker. I like to understand things. I like to know things beyond films and stuff like that.
Give me some example of what you'd like to know with beyond films.
Okay, see, for me, right now, I'm doing this, which is promoting the film, fully involved, and I'm trying to give my best shot at this. But I'm waiting for the film release. Right after that, I'm just taking off into the mountains. So I'd like to just be with the nature, be in a totally different setup. For me, I also equally get excited when I sit and talk for hours and hours and hours with some sage or a saint or a fakir or you know. So I have a bit of a mind which is curious to understand different people, different ideas, see different life, travel. And I feel 100% comfortable in most of the situation. I'm not never. I don't feel out of the place anywhere. So
But also, you don't want to anchor anywhere.
yes and no.
I don't mean it in a
I know, I know,
any
I know.
personal or a negative way.
I know. It's. I have questioned that. I've questioned that bit, but I've started anchoring now mostly in myself, and rather than anything else, it's internal holding on, and
Because you always have that.
yeah, yeah.
This conversation will become exclusively interesting only for us very soon. So let's start it. Yeah. So, what else are you looking forward to in the film industry, in this work, in this area or geography? What are your aspirations?
I really would want to work in a good script, doing roles the way my Devi's thing it had come to be, so that I could try and outdo my previous work
Okay.
and be seen on a different kind of work. As an actor, I think that's what we want. I mean, at least that's what I want. Is do few films, but want to excel and want to be given a chance where I can really put my 200% and see my growth as an actor. That's all. As vague as that is, but
No, it's not vague at all. In fact, it's very absolute. I think
Okay.
it's very nice to have a straightforward intention like that.
Yeah.
And if there is any other intention that anybody comes here for, is usually going to be disappointed. So, thank you for talking
Thank
to
you,
me.
Piers.
And it was really very nice to talk to you, especially about the wandering. And I hope that you really visit very beautiful places. Thank you.
Thank you.